Once upon a time, in a land of green hills and clear skies, there was a small village. The people of the village were very scared. A fierce dragon lived near them. Every day, the dragon came to the village. It roared with its loud voice and breathed fire. The people were very scared. They did not know what to do. One day, a brave knight called George came to the village. George had a shiny sword and a strong shield. He saw the people were afraid. "Why are you scared?" George asked. "The dragon," they said. "It is big and strong. It breathes fire and is very nasty to us." But George was a very brave boy. "I will help you," he said. "I will fight the dragon." The people said, "Thank you, George. You are very brave." The next morning, George went to the dragon's cave. The dragon saw George. It roared and breathed fire. But George was not afraid. He held his shield up. The fire did not touch him. "Go away, dragon," George said. "Do not come back to the village." The dragon roared again. It tried to bite George. But George was quick. He jumped out of the way and used his sword. He fought the dragon. The fight was long. George was strong. The dragon was fierce. But in the end, George won. The dragon was tired. It could not fight anymore. "Please," said the dragon. "I do not want to fight anymore. I am sorry." George looked at the dragon. "Do you promise to be good?" he asked. "Yes," said the dragon. "I promise." George and the dragon went back to the village. The people were surprised. The dragon was quiet. It did not roar. And it did not breathe fire. "George is our hero," the people said. "He made the dragon become a good boy." From that day on, the dragon was nice. It helped the people. It carried water for them and lifted heavy things. The village was safe. George stayed in the village. He was their hero. The people were happy. The dragon was their friend. And everyone lived in peace. He married the most beautiful girl in the village and had 3 children. His oldest son became the king of the land but was not very nice. The end.